Just wanted to share something very quickly about WhatsApp. Today when I woke up and checked my phone, I saw there was a status message from WhatsApp. It's their way to announce a new feature for WhatsApp users. So the WhatsApp status from WhatsApp showed that you can easily message yourself. The question is, why would you message yourself in the first place? Answer is, you can utilize that chat window to do anything. Like you can treat it as a note-taking app or a shopping app. Like if you want to buy something, you can put that in that chat. You can message yourself if you want to buy something and it will be there in the list. But I have got an even better solution, which I have previously shared in other videos as well, but I'm sharing it again because WhatsApp was showcasing this use case on their status. So I have got an even better solution. Instead of messaging yourself, create an empty group. It will require 2 people. You can add someone and then remove them. So when the person is removed, the group only belongs to you and it's an empty group. Good thing about empty group is that you can rename that group. You can rename it anything. My recommendation would be name something descriptive. If you want to use it as a to-do list, you can rename it as a to-do. Or if you want to use it as a personal note, you can rename it as personal note. You can change the display photo to make it appear a little different from other chat windows. So I personally use this empty group as personal notes. So I went to Google and searched for personal notes and got a lot of images and selected ones. So you can also do a Google search and look for a particular image that you can add to your empty group so that it will be little descriptive and you will be able to differentiate it from other chats. And again, you can go one step further. You can pin this chat so that it remains at the top of your chat list. And this way you will be easily able to access this particular chat window and access the content you have saved in it. So it's really useful trick. I have been using it from last several years and I've also shared this with a lot of people and all of them appreciated it. And I hope that you too liked it. If you did, you can like this video to let me know that you liked it and subscribe for more videos like this. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.